video about this uh, vacuum cleaner. It's called, the brand is Fujihamma. We actually got this online from, where was that, Lazada? Is that correct, huh?
Yes, we
yeah.
did. It's
Yeah, it is 3-in-1 function. It comes with 3-in-1 function.
right.
Yes.
And it's 25 liter vacuum cleaners with stainless steel um, canister. So we'll open it up now. We'll do a little.
Well, open this up
The reason
now.
the reason we bought this was because we checked around at all the vacuum cleaners around the stores here, and they're always very high priced. They want four to eight, 10,000 for one.
Yeah, and I think they're just small.
Some of them are, but a big one like this costs you about 10, 12,000.
And how much did we get this?
3,000 from Lazada. And shipping was cheap too, so we're gonna open this up and take a look at it and see what we got here. So there we go. There's contents. Almira's gonna see what we have here.
Yeah, so
Oh, there's the
these are the parts.
that's the hose,
The hose, yeah, you have to.
the attachment. We put those together and then just see if everything's there to begin with, I guess. Oh yeah, that's a nice looking vacuum cleaner.
Yeah. Okay. I'll get this out.
Right.
And you will see.
Open it up, and I think is the wheels already on it? No. There's wheels. There should be wheels, and open the canister up, and I think it should be the rest of the parts.
We'll see how we're gonna.
There's a clip on each side there. There you
Just
go.
have to.
Yep,
Open
there
it
you
up.
go.
And still heavy.
Hmm. There's a washable is that foam rubber,
Yeah, it's foam.
and then this one's washable too over here.
So this, this is washable.
Yeah, that's washable also.
Okay, these are the parts.
Yeah, there's the hose.
Those.
Well, that's the hose.
And what is
That's
this?
part of the attachment.
Oh yeah.
Looks like there's only two attachments to that, just that and
And
that
the
one.
wheels. And the wheels also.
Right. There's supposed to be a free gift with this, but I don't see it, so we're going to find out. Oh, there's another attachment down there.
Yep. It's another attachment.
Hmm.
So here's the manual.
Yeah,
Good thing there's a manual.
Right. Instructions.
The instructions on how to. Okay, so
Right.
what are we gonna do first now?
Actually, just turn this upside down, and you can snap the wheels on, I think. There's the wheels. Just push them in, I think. Here, let's be careful we don't bend this part. There you go.
Okay, just push this.
Yeah, push it really hard until it snaps in all the way.
You
Yeah,
can check if it's. I did it good.
I think it's good. There's supposed to be a small tool set with this as a free gift, but I don't see it, so we'll have to complain to the company where we got this from to ask where that is.
Okay, I guess that's all right now.
Yep. Flip that over.
Oh,
Okay, then.
put this.
Right, I think that goes on your. There you go.
And this.
Yep.
We have to snap.
Have to line those up with the plastic. Actually, anywhere there.
Okay, and snap it back on.
Snap those on.
Okay.
Okay, there you go.
Now, so it's ready. Not,
Mhm.
not quite.
Snap your hose in the top or on the side. Well, I'm not sure if it's the side. I think it's the side you snap your hose in. Right here. Over here on this side. You put that one, the black flexible hose in there.
Oh, this
Yes,
here.
right. Does it snap in or push in or? There you go.
There.
Okay, and then you
This.
can snap your two pieces there together.
I wonder which one comes first.
I think this one probably goes first.
This.
Well, this piece anyway.
Oh, okay.
Maybe it doesn't, I don't know.
Yeah.
There's one.
I think you can just use one
You can if you want.
if you want, or you can use two.
Right.
Let's try to use two then.
Yes.
Okay.
And then,
That way, when you use this, you don't have. I think you don't have to, bend over because it's long.
right.
Long enough.
Okay, well, let's plug it in and see how much suction we have.
And are we gonna put this in first?
Those are the attachments. You have 3 attachments. You can attach one of them if you want.
There's 3 attachments. 1,
And,
2,
right,
and
3. That's for like the floor.
for the floor.
Right.
So there's 3. Okay, so we're gonna try this one.
You
now?
can try it, plug it in and see how much suction it has. You'll have to take that off. You don't have to do that. You can just plug it in.
Okay.
It means we're just starting it. Probably wake up the baby, but okay. Flip the switch there, ma'am. Switch is over here on this side.
Where's the switch?
Over here. Push.
So we just. By the way, the switch is covered with transparent plastic.
Oh.
Yeah, it's
That's
covered.
good.
It's probably because if ever your hands are
Wet.
wet.
Hmm. That's pretty good suction, it looks like. Not too bad. If you put the smaller attachment on, it'll have more suction. So,
And where can we use this? So
oh, we can use that for vacuuming the floor or
couch?
your car, your couch, your furniture. We're going to try to use it to suck out the lint out of our air conditioner too. And also, it's a wet or dry vac, so you can actually suck water up off the floor with that. So, anyway,
Okay, just don't answer me. Or you will listen.
also,
No, don't answer.
you can put this in this vent, the hose in that top one. It'll blow out, blow air. So, anyway, I guess that's our demonstration for 3,000 pesos, which is about $60 American. That's a good price, and hopefully we'll get to use it around the house here. And thanks for watching our video.
Please like, share, and subscribe.
Yes, please like and subscribe, and
Have a good day.
yes, have a good day too. Thank you for watching.